How to enable or disable Gboard touch and hold keys for symbols on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or S26 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, tap on Gboard settings. Then we scroll down and tap on Preferences. Next, go down and in Shortcuts section, tap on Touch and Hold keys for symbols. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here, when you turn it on, if you go to the keyboard, you can see there are symbols on the key. If you touch and hold on a key, it will show you the alternative symbol. If we switch this off, then we will not have the alternative keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.